Hello students, this is our first chapter, the fish tale. So today we will discuss about the important activities in this chapter from page number 1 to page number 10. Let us start. So first of all, we will take the activity of this whale shark. The biggest fish is the whale shark. It is actually not a whale but a big fish. Whale are different from fish. Fish breathe like we do through their nose. Whale breathe like we do through their nose. But fish have no noses and they take in water, not air. Whale give birth to the babies but fishes lay eggs. The whale shark fish looks big and dangerous but is quite harmless. It does not attack human beings. So, in this activity, whale shark और फिशेस के बीच में डिफरेंस बताया गया है. व्हेल और फिश के बीच में. व्हेल जो होती है ये बहुत बड़ी होती है, वो सांस नोज से लेती है और उसके बेबीज होते हैं जैसे हमारे होते हैं ह्यूमन बीइंग्स के, क्योंकि वो एक मैमल है. और फिशेस जो होती हैं उनका नोज नहीं होता, वो गिल्स से सांस लेती हैं और पूरे पानी को इनटेक करती हैं, उसमें से ऑक्सीजन को कंज्यूम करती हैं और पानी को, वाटर को रिलीज कर देती हैं. फिशेस अंडे देती हैं, एग्स ले करती हैं. व्हेल शार्क डेंजरस तो लगती है लेकिन वो इतनी डेंजरस नहीं है क्योंकि वो ह्यूमन बींग्स को अटैक नहीं करती है. सो स्टूडेंट्स, अब इस एक्टिविटी में व्हेल शार्क की लेंथ और वेट के बारे में बताया गया है. सो वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द हाइट एंड वेट ऑफ अ व्हेल शार्क इन कंपैरिजन टू यू चिल्ड्रन. लेट अब इस एक्टिविटी में व्हेल शार्क की लेंथ को कंपेयर किया गया है आप बच्चों की लेंथ से. इट इज सेड दैट द लेंथ ऑफ अ व्हेल शार्क is approximately equal to the height of 12 children like you when they stand on the top of the other. So let us see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. You can see 12 children are standing one over another and are approximately equal to, they may be equal to the length of a whale shark. But as far as the weight is concerned, the weight of 12 children cannot be compared to the weight of a whale shark because its weight is very heavy, approximately 16,000 kilograms. So children, some questions are asked about how many kilograms do you weigh. So you are not with me. I have assumed that suppose your weight is 30 kilograms. You can write your own weight. So 12 children like you put together will weigh about dash kilograms. Weight of 12 children like you will be, if weight of one is known, then we can find the weight of many by multiplying the number with the weight of 1. So 30 into 12, that is 360 kilograms. About how much more does the whale shark weigh than 12 children like you put together? For this, whale shark आप 12 बच्चों के वेट से कितना ज़्यादा वेट रखती है, हमें ये बताना है. सो वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द डिफरेंस. सो 16,000 minus 360, it will be 15,640 kilograms. So students, next activity. This activity is a creative time. It gives you creativity. Jinsi used these shapes to make drawing of fish. Now you also use some shapes to draw the different sea animals shown below. There are many animals shown in the book, and we have to make more animals with these shapes. I have tried to make 2 animals, and you also have to make 2 animals after this in your notebooks. So let us see what I have made. I have made a fish and a crab. So you also try to make other animals like octopus, starfish, etc. So let us come to next page. In the next activity, log boats are used to take fishes from the sea by the fishermen. Log boat are the boats that are made of log. Log means लकड़ी के फट्टे, प्लैंक्स. लकड़ियों को जोड़ जोड़ के लॉग बोट बनाई जाती है. एंड दिस बोट ट्रेवल्स स्लो and the speed of the boat is given 4 kilometers in 1 hour. How long will they take to go a distance of 10 kilometers? So here time is required. Time is asked, how much time will it take to travel 10 kilometers? For this we have to learn this formula. Speed is equal to distance divided by time. If you have to find out time, then distance divided by speed. And if you are asked for distance, then you have to multiply the speed and the time. Now in this question, speed is equal to 4 kilometers in 1 hour. Distance is 10 kilometers. So time taken will be 10 divided by 4, that is 2.5 kilometers. And 2.5 hours. Sorry, 2.5 hours. Let us go. Now I am giving you a same type of question. You have to solve it yourself. It is about the fishermen who are catching fishes in a motorboat. The speed of the motorboat is 20 kilometers in 1 hour. How far would the motorboat go in 3.5 hours? How far means you have to find out the distance. We have discussed the formula for distance. With that formula you can find out the distance. How much time will it take to go 85 kilometers? Now you have to find out the time in second part. So these 2 questions you have to do yourself in your notebook, okay, with the help of those formulas. Which boat gets how much? Next activity. In one trip, the log boat brings about 20 kgs of fish, but other type of boats bring a bigger catch, as given in the table. The table is in the next slide. The table also shows the speed of each type of boat, which is how far each boat goes in 1 hour. Look at the table and calculate. अब अगले पेज पर जो टेबल है इसमें दिया हुआ है. So in this slide, a table is given in which type of boat, log boat, long tail boat, motor boat, machine boat are given. Catch of fish in one trip in each boat is given. In log boat 20 kg, long tail boat 600 kg, motor boat 800 kg and machine boat 6000 kg. Speed of each boat is given. 4 kilometers per hour is the speed of log boat. Long tail boat 12 kilometers per hour, motor boat 20 kilometers per hour and machine boat 22 kilometers per hour is the speed. Now in the first question, about how much fish in all will each type of boat bring in 7 trips. So we have to find out how much fishes will they bring in 7 trips. So if we know the quantity of fishes in one trip, we can find out the fishes in 7 trips by multiplying it by 7. 20 into 7 is 140 kilograms. Like this you can find out other catches. 600 into 7, 800 into 7 and 6000 into 7. Now second question, about how far can a motorboat go in 6 hours. So you have to find out एक मोटरबोट 6 घंटे में कितनी दूर जा सकती है. So you have to find out the distance. Time is given, time is 6 hours and the speed is given in the table, that is 20 kilometers per hour. So you have to find out the distance. And the distance, formula for distance is speed into time, that means 20 into 6, that is 120 kilometers. Now next question, if a long tail boat has to travel 60 kilometers, how long will it take? The long tail boat को 60 किलोमीटर जाना है तो उसे कितना समय लगेगा? You have to find out the time. Distance is given, the speed is given and you have to find out the time. For time the formula is distance divided by speed, so you have to divide 60 by 12 and find out the answer yourself. Students, on the next page, page number 10, a story is given and this story you have read is about numbers of digits 5, 6, 7 or 8. So 1 lakh, this shows that this number, this story is about numbers from 10,000 to 1 crore. So let us know about the place values first, then we can know about these numbers. So first place is ones. We have to find out the place values from right side always. Okay. Second, tens, then 100, then 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. So if the number is 1000, then 1 will be under 1000, 0, 0, 0 for hundreds, tens and ones. We should know the place values. Okay. If we have to write 10,000, then 10th, 1 should be written under 10,000 and 0, 0, 0, 0 for the next digits. Now for 1 lakh, 1 is under lakh and the other digits are on its right side. 10 lakh, 1 is under 10 lakh. For 1 crore, 1 is under crore. So we have to write like this. Now if someone asks how many thousands are there in 10,000, then you can say 10. And how many thousands are there in 1 lakh? You can say 1, 0, 0, that is 100. 100 thousands means 1 lakh. And how many lakhs are there in 1 crore? 1, 0, 0. We will count up to lakh. So what is the number? 100. So 100 lakh makes a crore. Okay, do you understand? 100 thousands equal to 1 lakh and 100 lakhs equal to 1 crore. So students, we should know the place value. Fill 65477 in the given table. A place value table is given. We have to fill it. 7, we should fill it from last digit. Last digit is 7, that is 1's digit. 7 is under 1 and 7, 400, 5,000 and 6, 10,000. When we read this number, we will read it like this. We will collectively read the 1000 place digits. 6, 5, that is 65. 65,477. 7 tens means 70 and 7. Place value means the place where the digit is filled. Example, place value of 5 in this. Place value of 5 is 5,000. And 5,000 is written like this, 5 and 3 zeros. On the basis of this content, an exercise is given to you, and you have to write the place value and numbers in words. 4 numbers are given. You have to fill them in the table. One is done for you. First one is written in the table. Other 3 numbers you have to write yourself. And place value means the place where the digit is filled. Write place value of 5 in the above numbers. You have to write place value of 5 in each numbers. And write the numbers in word. Place value of 5 is in first one is, see, 5 is on thousands place. So its place value is 5,000. And we have to write the number in words. So 1 in lakhs, which number is there? 1 means 11. 11 lakhs. In thousands place, 6 and 5. 65,482 is the number name for this number. You have to write like this all the 3 next numbers. Okay, students, I hope you understood the activities from page number 1 to page number 10. You have to do these questions I have asked, do yourself in your notebook.